Go forward. All right, let's try to do this as few times as possible. Oh. We're gonna have to put power steering. We have to put power steering on this thing. You know what? Let me get this handle off of there. We do not. No, we should take it off. It just this should be hand tight. You know what? They sent instructions with this kit. It tells you. I bet you it tells you to bend the head a little bit there, a little bit.
Tells you to grind off that little tab.
Yeah.
No.
Just put the bolt back in there, Sean, and I'll tighten it up later. Yeah, I know.
Nope. I'll do as far as I can get.
Yeah. Okay. I should have probably bought some solid motor mounts for this thing. All right, ready? Back's got to go way over. Pants are falling off. Yeah. Looks like the front has to go that way. Here's the holes here. Yeah. Okay. Front's got to go over. How are we looking there? All right. Let me let the car down some. Okay, coming down. Undo the locks. It seems like we did a lot of work today. I don't know about that. Where's that alignment bar?
It's going to be real close to the steering box. I think it's got to come your way. I can't see the tunnel.
Yeah, the back of the motor's got to come over for sure.
You got to go that way because you're going to come
Yeah.
the steering box on this. So everything's got to go.
You're just watching here, right? Oh, what was that? Oh, it's the shifter on the it's got to come back to me, Sean. Can you push the motor back? Right there's about good. A little bit more, maybe. Right there. Ready?
Yeah, stop there. I just gotta. I can see. You gotta come way over this way. I said way over, probably about an inch or so. I know.
Okay.
Otherwise,
Yep.
now I can see the.
The steering box is closed.
Yeah, I know it is. There's like a little cockeyed like this.
All right. Well, let's come down some more. Figure it out. Ready?
Stop. Yeah, we're gonna have to straight box. But just bring the back in. Probably need half inch to clear the steering box. Okay. Hold. Let's try that. That was real good. Real good. How's the back of the engine?
We got plenty of room back here. Transmission. Hit the floor, I think. He's got to come. He's got to come back.
Come back?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready?
Yep. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, that's good. Right.
Well, hang on.
Okay. Right about there looks good, Sean. One of those pry bars. That's good right there.
No, still pushing. Still pushing. I don't need much. Nope.
You know what? I need a screwdriver or something.
I was gonna say, I need something. It's so low, I guess it's gotta come back a quarter inch.
We're good right there.
Okay, like that?
Yep.
I would say we can come over a quarter inch because I don't think the steering box is gonna clear. It's real close.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, you move the front more than the back. Okay.
Good. Good.
I did too far. Because now
Let's go down a little.
valve cover hitting here.
Let's go down a little bit.
Right on it. Right on it. Okay, hang on.
I see the shifter sticking through the floor.
Yeah. And I got, I think the steering box might have hit it. But then right here, we just touched it here too. I mean, I got it touching on both sides right
Yeah. Well, once it goes down all the way,
Yeah.
it won't.
After you hump, it's got to clear. It's just got to clear
Yeah.
that little out.
All right. I think we go down some more, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Let's go on this one. Pretty close. Yeah, I think we're past the worst part. Yeah. We're on K-frame on this side.
All right.
This side is not.
Let's see if our holes line up underneath. Where's that?
I was trying to use it for a break.
All right, this one. We'll almost start. My bowl of genies. All right. Put some lubricant on them. All right. That bar I was using. Okay. Yeah. All right. That's a 1. A 1 and a 2.
That's the hard one.
This should be the easy one. So here has to go forward.
Yeah.
But I can't. I can't. screw the bolts for a little bit longer. It would be helpful. This should be the easy part too. Why is struggling?
I think you need to take some weight off of it.
Think so?
Yeah. Because it settled, car settled on this side first and the other side. So I think you're push up on this. No, it's not moving.
It's got to move at some point. Now the motor is off the.
Yeah.
Okay, I can get this out then. All right. So we need another jack under the K-frame. You know what? But if we go right on the K-frame itself, back here.
Yeah, that's one thing. Right there where the torsion bar and
Yeah.
adjustment is. Oh, it's not moving. Come on, man. It's only 4 bolts.
Yeah, right?
You can get on that side?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Yeah, bolt might be long enough to reach on this side.
Is that close?
Yeah, it's probably 1.5 inches. You might be able to get in.
Okay.
That can pull it close to that with your hand. Yeah, I think you got it.
That was very strange. You know that? That was cross-threaded. Yeah.